Hi everyone, welcome back. Listen, I got my Unity stamp kit yesterday. I was so excited I opened the thing up. Let me tell you something about this one. I like it so much. Okay, this is a good one. Look at this. I love her. Look how grumpy she is first of all. I don't know the sizes yet. We're gonna check this out. But look. So this is November. It's called Tinsel, Toast, and Truce. So we got her, the girl with the cat and the dog. If this is not the most adorable puppy, like they could just take this puppy out and put him somewhere, it would be a cute thing. Or even the cat and the dog. Then we got this little bird. I don't know what kind of bird that is, but look at this bird. Then we got some trees. We get trees all the time. We got some little stars, reindeer. We got a male and a female deer. Then we got Grumpy Grandma and her little chihuahua, another Christmas tree, and these drinks. So this is all supposed to be for Christmas and New Year. I'm interested in seeing what they're gonna bring for December. So it's gonna be very interesting. But it says reading won't solve your problems, but then again, neither will housework. Love it. Read excuse me, relax, read, repeat. It's your special day. Good friends, good books, good life. May your year be calm and bright. All is bright. All is calm and all is bright. I'm curious about this one because it looks like it may be a problem stamp. No distance can calm. Excuse me. No distance can dim the warmth of Christmas love. The season shines brighter when you're near. Oh, that's so sweet. Wishing you peace in every season. Christmas cheer. Haven't felt that in years. So this is her. And you seen the Hallmark one with the old lady and the little dog, right? The Spuds McKenzie dog. Your gift is more present. Words. Your gift is my presence. You're welcome. Her. Congratulations. Congrats. You officially upgraded from vintage to antique. Life short. Lower your expectations. I love that. But not with these cards. But I like that. To ending that sparkle and beginning that shine. Oh, that's a nice one. Here's two moments worth remembering. And then we have the sentiments that go, what they plan to go with each one. So we got four sentiments. Four for those and these deer. Okay, so I'm worried about all this bright though. All this calm, all this bright. Because if we could just stamp this on a card and put like a tree and be done. This bird, I don't understand what's going on with this bird. Because it's not like they have a scarf on around their body. I don't understand that one. And then the books for the girl and then the champagne glasses. So very cool. The champagne glasses are humongous, but let's look at this one and then let's look at the free gifts. I think they told us last month we would get a free stencil. They hadn't got it made this month. I think this is the one they told us about. So we got some ornaments. Um, a snowflake and a background trees. So you could probably take this circle, put these in. I don't know. I'm not really good with those kind of stencils. I feel like I'm better with the other type of stencils. I like this bag. Just saying. These tags are really cool. I might have to buy some tags like this. And then we have these cut aparts. These are really shiny. And then we have some backgrounds so you can make cards. Or whatever you want to do. But this would be good on a card. This one as the background with these deer or even the bird. And then this won't be good as a portrait with the wine glasses. But let's see what they chose to show us what's most interesting. I know a lot of us like the girl stamps. So look. Okay. She's not even a Christmas one. I like how they have this text. It's really cool. And then on the back, it's the same picture. So the design team chose to do the girl twice, which isn't bad. It's cool. Will I be doing the girl? I don't know. Probably not. I like the granny better. And I like the bird and the wine. The girl is cute. Don't get me wrong, she's very cute, very adorable. But we'll probably do the girl too, because we like her. That's one of the reasons why we got into Unity stamp. It was more so for the big stamps than anything else. All right, so none of the font. I know I always bring it up, but none of the font is attached, so that's really good. And these stamps are pretty dang big. I like that. I like that they're going back to the big size. Look at this one. This thing is huge. This is a whole card, y'all. That's a whole card by itself. Love that. Love that. All right. And so then we have. Oh, I can't wait to play with this one. I can't wait. This is all. If we were doing snooze it or lose it, this would be a snooze, use. All of them would be a use. If I had to choose a snooze it would be the trees and the deer. Yeah, they're solid anyway, causing problems. But anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed this unboxing, unbagging. This is going to be fun. The last 3 months of these kits have been chef's kiss. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.